Edward K. Merton's Social Theory and Social Structure, 1949, is one of the most influential works in sociology, synthesizing key ideas and advancing the field's theoretical frameworks. The book lays out Merton's systematic approach to understanding society, emphasizing the interplay between theory and empirical research. This analysis delves into the book's core themes, key contributions, and enduring significance in sociological discourse. 1. Context and background. Merton published Social Theory and Social Structure during a period of significant growth in sociological theory and research. Drawing on the foundations laid by Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, and Talcott Parsons, Merton sought to bridge the gap between grand theoretical constructs and practical empirical studies. His work was part of the mid-20th century push to integrate American sociology's focus on empirical research with European theoretical traditions. Merton's goal was to offer a robust conceptual framework that could guide the analysis of social structures and their influence on individual and collective behavior. He rejected the dichotomy between theory and research, arguing that the two were mutually reinforcing. 2. Key themes in the book. A. Theoretical and empirical sociology. Merton argued that sociology should not be limited to abstract theorizing or isolated empirical studies. He introduced the concept of middle-range theories as a pragmatic alternative to both grand theories and narrow empirical observations. Middle-range theories focus on specific phenomena, such as deviance, reference groups, or social mobility, providing a bridge between broader theories and concrete data. Merton emphasized the importance of building theories that are empirically testable, avoiding the overly speculative tendencies of some classical sociological theories. This approach allowed for a more scientific methodology in sociology, making it accessible and relevant to practical applications. B. Functional analysis. A central theme in social theory and social structure is functionalism, which examines the roles that social institutions and practices play in maintaining societal stability and order. Merton built on Durkheim's and Parsons' ideas, but introduced innovations that address their limitations. He developed the concepts of manifest and latent functions. Manifest functions are the intended and recognized outcomes of social activities, while latent functions are unintended and often hidden consequences. For example, while education's manifest function is to impart knowledge, its latent functions might include socialization or reinforcing class stratification. Merton's approach to functionalism was flexible, allowing for dysfunction, situations where social structures failed to meet the needs of society, leading to conflict or instability. This nuanced view acknowledged that not all social phenomena are inherently beneficial or functional. Anomie and deviance. One of Merton's most enduring contributions is his refinement of the concept of anomie, originally developed by Durkheim. In his strain theory of deviance, Merton linked anomie to the disparity between culturally prescribed goals, such as wealth, and the means available to achieve them. Merton proposed 5 modes of individual adaptation to this strain. 1. Conformity, acceptance of cultural goals and legitimate means. 2. Innovation, acceptance of goals but use of illegitimate means, e.g. crime. 3. Ritualism, rejection of goals but adherence to legitimate means. 4. Retreatism, rejection of both goals and means, e.g. drug addiction. 5. Rebellion, substitution of new goals and means. Here is the copied text. This framework provided a systematic way to understand deviance as a response to structural constraints, rather than purely individual pathology. This framework provided a systematic way to understand deviance as a response to structural constraints, rather than purely individual pathology. D. The sociology of knowledge. Merton also explored how social structures shape the production and dissemination of knowledge. He introduced the concept of the Matthew effect, referring to the tendency for recognition and resources to accumulate disproportionately to those who are already successful, while others are overlooked. This phenomenon is named after the biblical passage, "For unto every one that hath shall be given." In the context of science, Merton observed that established scientists often receive more credit for discoveries than their lesser-known colleagues, regardless of the actual contribution. This insight underscores the role of social dynamics in shaping intellectual and cultural outcomes. E. Reference groups and social comparison. Another key contribution of social theory and social structure is Merton's analysis of reference groups, which are groups individuals use as a standard for evaluating themselves and their behavior. Reference groups can influence aspirations, self-perception, and social behavior, serving as a critical mechanism for understanding social conformity and deviance. 3. Merton's methodological innovations. Merton championed the integration of qualitative and quantitative methods, arguing that sociology should rely on a variety of tools to explore complex social phenomena. His emphasis on operationalizing concepts, defining and measuring theoretical ideas, was a significant methodological advancement. Additionally, Merton underscored the importance of unintended consequences in social research. By analyzing the unexpected outcomes of policies or actions, sociologists can better understand the complexity of social systems and their interdependencies. 4. Critiques and limitations. While social theory and social structure has been widely celebrated, it is not without its critiques. Critics of functionalism, for instance, argue that it overemphasizes societal stability and downplays conflict and change. Merton's approach, though more flexible than Parsons', still assumes a level of equilibrium that may not reflect the realities of rapidly changing or deeply divided societies. Moreover, some sociologists have critiqued the concept of middle-range theories for being overly cautious and incremental, potentially stifling more ambitious theoretical endeavors. Others argue that Merton's emphasis on empirical research risks privileging quantifiable phenomena while neglecting more subjective or interpretive aspects of social life. Despite these critiques, Merton's work remains a cornerstone of sociological theory, demonstrating remarkable adaptability and relevance across diverse contexts. 5. Enduring significance. A. Influence on sociology. Social theory and social structure has had a profound impact on sociology, shaping subsequent research and teaching in the field. Merton's ideas about middle-range theories, functional analysis, and deviance have been widely adopted and adapted by sociologists worldwide. His work laid the groundwork for later developments in structural functionalism, symbolic interactionism, and conflict theory. B. Applications in diverse fields. Merton's theories have transcended sociology, influencing disciplines such as political science, economics, psychology, and organizational studies. For instance, his analysis of unintended consequences and the Matthew effect has been applied to policy analysis, management, and the study of inequality. Relevance to contemporary issues. Merton's insights remain relevant in addressing contemporary social issues. His strain theory, for example, provides a valuable framework for understanding economic inequality and its impact on crime. Similarly, his work on reference groups sheds light on the dynamics of social media and its influence on self-perception and behavior. Robert K. Merton's Social Theory and Social Structure is a landmark work that has shaped the trajectory of sociology and the broader social sciences. By bridging theory and empirical research, Merton provided a framework that is both rigorous and adaptable, allowing for the exploration of diverse social phenomena. Through concepts such as middle-range theories, functional analysis, strain theory, and the sociology of knowledge, Merton offered tools for understanding the complexities of social life and the interplay between structure and agency. While not without its critiques, the book's enduring significance lies in its ability to inspire new research, inform policy, and address pressing social challenges. Merton's legacy is a testament to the power of sociological inquiry in illuminating the forces that shape human behavior and society. His work continues to resonate, offering valuable insights for scholars, policymakers, and anyone seeking to understand the intricate web of social structures and their impact on our lives.